125, Southern New Hampshire. I hear you in there. What's going on, Chris? You got 151, South Carolina returning.
Roger that, John. Heard somebody coming back from 676. Having a cigar, waiting to go back to work. Got her hitch out there with the standing right.
Copy that, Chris. Hey, happy lunchtime. Enjoy the lunch. Enjoy the cigar if that's what you said you're doing. Chris, it's good to hear you. You got 151, South Carolina. And I'm going to let that 125 get back to the DX.
Roger that. How about it, Bullet Junkie? 151, 676. We'll be on the side collecting noise. State Park, Drive. 151-844 Maryland Mobile.
676. I got you in there. 676. You got Moa Junkie, 151, South Carolina returning.
Hey, Moa Junkie. We're in the mobile on our way up to our farm upstate New York. Just wanted to wave to you and keep up the good work with the videos. 151 Moa Junkie, 676. Back out.
Thank you very much, 676. I'm going to continue to do my part. Hey, I'm going to share the CB hobby with the world if I can. Hey, 676, enjoy that farm life. We'll talk to you again. You got 151. Moa Junkie, I'm going to say 73s to you.
And then 151, you're really drifting. You're sounding like that.
I heard a Delaware station coming in there. Come on back, Delaware. You got Moa Junkie, 151.
Roger, Moa Junkie, 151. Sounding good in Delaware. 135 for yourself.
Thank you very much, 135. You're doing a good job down here to South Carolina. Hey, 135. You got 151, South Carolina. I'm going to say 73s to you.
73s, 151, 135, and
I believe I heard a 076 maybe coming to Moa Junkie. Try it one more time. You got it covered up a little.
151, you got 06985 Keystone. Good morning, top of the afternoon to you.
I got you that time, 063. I heard you in there that time. You got 151, Moa Junkie. I'm waving a hand to that 063.
Thanks for the comeback, 151. How about that 151? Have a great day, man. 63 New York, we're clear.
Alright, 73s to you there, 063. Have a great weekend. Hey, 505, 505. You got 151, Moa Junkie returning. Got a little messy. You got it. This is Moa Junkie from YouTube. Moa Junkie, 151, South Carolina, standing by.
Good afternoon, Moa Junkie. Good afternoon, Mr. Moa Junkie. 1414 out of Chicago.
1414 out of Chicago. I got about 20 guys all coming in at once, but you came right in on top of the pile. 1414, it's good to hear you. I'm going to keep it short because it's crazy busy. You got 151, South Carolina, waving a hand to you.
Moa Junkie, hopefully that you can hear nobody but me, but we're sending us a 151 South Carolina, 1414 out of Chicago. We'll be standing by 985 Keystone. We got a copy.
985 Keystone. I got you in there again today. Hey, buddy, you're doing a fantastic job down here. 985, always good to hear you in there. You got 151, South Carolina, waving.
Roger, appreciate the comeback. Seems like it's going to start up and then slow down. We had swinging conditions, but they're getting a little steadier. We're going to be safe. 985 clear.
Copied most of that, 985. It's really, really busy. Hey, 985, you also have yourself a fantastic weekend. We'll talk again. 151, South Carolina, standing by.
South Carolina, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Hello.
Atlantic City, New Jersey. I didn't catch any name or numbers in there, but come on back. You got 151, Moa Junkie in South Carolina.
I heard two stations coming back to me. I didn't know.
CQDX, 151, South Carolina, standing by.
All right, we did hear you there. Atlantic City, New Jersey. The operator is
690, I can hear you in there. 690. You're off frequency, it's hard to understand you, so I didn't catch the location, but I hear you. You got 151, Mower Junkie.
151, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Uh-oh.
Copy that on the New Jersey Shore. WWS 690. You got Mower Junkie. WWS 568, also known as 151, South Carolina. Copy that, WWS 690. I hear you loud and clear, buddy. Thank you for supporting the channel. Much, much appreciated. Hey, WWS 690. I had to tune way off frequency to get you, but I got you in there nice and clear now, and I can understand you. Good to hear you in there. Thanks for supporting the channel. You got 151, Mower Junkie, and I'm going to wave a hand to that 690.
Hey, Mower Junkie. I just want to add to the mess. It's Joey Shadow, Unit 86. Joey Shadow, Unit 86. You went back and forth with me a couple of times. It was great to meet you, my friend.
Copy that, Joey. I got that loud and clear. Joey, I got you in there. It was great to talk with you. You'll hear this and see this on YouTube. I'm going to put it up. You're going to see that radio's a little off frequency, though. Hey, Joey, it was good to talk to you. You got 151, Mower Junkie. I'm going to say 73s to you for now.
This is something that was in the drawer. It's a modern 148. And it's untouched. It just goes to show how it comes out of factory.
Let's try for 22. How about it, 22 Boston, Mass? Hey, 22, 151, South Carolina calling. 303 in the mobile. I got you in there loud and clear. You're doing a good job from that mobile. You got 151, South Carolina waving.
Alright, 151. You sounded loud and proud of around Long Island, New York. Take it easy. Top of the afternoon. Right at 1303 mobile. Clear and 151.
Copy that. 303 in the mobile in Long Island, New York. Hey, have yourself an awesome weekend. Hope it's all good for you. You got 151, Mower Junkie. I'm going to say 73s to that 303.
Hey, it's a 581, Michigan, trying.
How about you, 581 Michigan, 151 South Carolina calling.
Yeah, 151 South Carolina, I got a grip. I'm up here, Battle Creek, Michigan.
Copy that on the Battle Creek, Michigan. I got a buddy up there I talked to, 207 Dave. That's a, you got some good locals up there, 581.
Yeah, we do. Oh, Dave, I know Dave. He's right down the road from me. Yep, he's a local. Good to hear you out there, South Carolina.
Copy that, 581. I'm going to let you go because it's been really busy and we probably won't have the connection long. Hey, 581, have yourself a great weekend. You got 151, South Carolina, and I'm going to say 73s.
All right, 151, 581, 73s. Unit 33 in Illinois,
151, South Carolina, standing by.
Oh yeah, 151 violated out of the Badger.
How about that 151 Wisconsin? Hey, 151. You got 151 South Carolina calling.
Roger, 525, Captain Jack.
I lost you, buddy.
In the mobile. 151, South Carolina. Do you copy? 22
22
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. I was just trying for you. Come on, 22 Mass. You got 151 South Carolina calling.
Hey, Captain Jack, I got a copy on you.
That man's attention span is pretty short.
How about it, 151 Mower Junkie, 151 Mower Junkie, 109.
151, you got a copy?
109, I heard you in there. 109, I heard you calling for Moa Junkie. Come on back. You got 151, Moa Junkie in South Carolina.
Yeah, Junkie's that Moa. For hijacker, we got a copy.
Now I just get out there. If they hear me, they hear me. If they don't, they don't. It doesn't matter either way.
I think I lost you, 109. 109, it was good to hear you in there. Have a good weekend. 151, South Carolina. Standing by.
5-1, how funky and junky is that Moa? 5-1, you copy triple deuce, Queens, New York, like the trucker radio.
Triple Deuce, Queens, New York. I got you in there. You got 151, South Carolina returning.
New York, trying to get it back.
It's hard to get a second contact.
429 Texas, 135 in Delaware.
Triple Deuce, New York. I'm only getting little bits and pieces. Hey, have yourself a good weekend. You got 151, South Carolina. Waving a hand to that 222.
Hey, 151 South Carolina, just away from the run to that. Where are you at? 33?
151, hey Badger, 151. I'm getting that wave and sending it right back up there to Wisconsin. 151, you got 151, South Carolina.
Roger, 151, she's over there now, little 73s, buddy, enjoy the weekend. 151 Badger.
Copy that, Badger. Hey, 151, have a good weekend. 151, South Carolina, standing by.
37, drop it down one channel.
I believe that was a 104 in New York, but you got some real scratchy audio. You got 151, South Carolina returning. I can't understand it.
New York. I'm at 151 South Carolina, 226 New York.
226 New York. 226 New York. I got you in there. You got 151, South Carolina returning.
Roger on that there, 151. Go ahead, audio, Atlantic City, New Jersey, hearing you. Where are you in South Carolina? Go ahead.
226, I'm right smack dab in the middle of South Carolina. Right here in the Midlands of South Carolina. You got 151.
Roger on the Midlands, 0, Roger on that there. All right there, you made a fine trip here. The Atlantic City, New Jersey, the operator is in Horry County there in Conway there, Roger.
I only copied the end of that 226. You got covered up. Uh-oh, covered you up. 226 New York. I'm going to have to say 73s because it's a little too rough in here today. 226, have a great weekend. 151, South Carolina. Standing by.
Roger there, go ahead there, South Carolina. 151 on the side. Definitely up here in the South Bronx. 226 New York.
Copy that. 226 up there in the Bronx. Have a good weekend. Hey, uh-oh, I heard you in there. You're doing a good job down here in South Carolina.
Alrighty, I'm going to take a stand by and let you burn. Have a fine one. Atlantic City, New Jersey. 909 in the Bahamas. 909 in the Bahamas. 909 Bahamas. 35 in Delaware. Bahamas, 226 South Bronx.
690 New Jersey says, how about now, Moa Junkie? Am I on frequency now?
This is South.
690 New Jersey. I understood everything you said. It's a lot better now. A lot better. 690. I got you in there pretty good.
The old style Malaysian or Taiwanian. Where it was made, but it needs to go to the boat. Right now I'm on my RCI 2950.
909 Bahamas, 135 in Delaware, Raven.
690. I got most of that. I believe you said you're on RCI radio now. and you put that 148 aside. 690, it's getting really tough in there. It was good to talk to you, and I can understand you now. 690, have a great day. 151, South Carolina, standing by.
All right, there, Power Junkie. Once again, sounding good over here. No doubt. I can't do too much because I don't have too much in line. I'm just on my dummy load and Tram 99. Take care, Power Junkie. Once again, it was a pleasure. Double measure speaking to you. Power Junkie, Joey Shadow 690, New Jersey. Once again, we're in the clear. Be safe out there.
Helping him out.
Copied all of that, 690. Hey, Joey, you did a good job that time. And don't kid yourself, that Antron's working well for you. Joey, it was good to talk to you. You got 151. Mower Junkie, I'm going to say 73s to you, Joey.
73s.
CSX. CSX, southbound. Roger, 909. Got a lot of traffic in. I got probably trying to go south, but you got right around it. 99, clear in the Bahamas.
151, South Carolina, standing by.
151 South Carolina, this is 556 Southwest Michigan, returning your call.
556, I can hear you in there. 556, you got 151, South Carolina waving.
I appreciate that 151, I'm gonna
0737, John. Yeah, good hearing from you, John. You have a good one down there, good station.
I copied most of that 556, but you got covered up. Hey, it was good to contact you. Have a good one up there in Michigan. 556, you got 151, saying 73s.
Take care out there, 151, 928 in the Great Lakes.
And remember, white lives matter.
928 in the Great Lakes. You got 151, South Carolina returning.
Sounding good out there, South Carolina, 151 there. Keep up the good work. You take care and have a fine evening out there in the Carolinas. 928 Detroit. Stand by.
Copy that. 928 up there in Detroit. 928. Have yourself a great weekend. You got 151, South Carolina. I'm going to say 73s.
All right, take care. God bless there. 151, 928 Great Lakes. Stand by.
people to burn their houses down.
151, South Carolina, 1102 Ohio.
1102 Ohio. You sound real good. 1102. You got 151, South Carolina returning.
5-6.
151, sounding good. 29.
Roger, Sleepywood is a bomb.
556 Southwest Michigan.
1102, I think I lost you. Hey, have a great weekend. You got covered up, but it was good to hear you in there at first. You got 151, South Carolina, standing by.
Looks like